All right, let's talk networks and systems design. You'll notice that there are only 5 standards for this concept area, so it's a little one for your classroom to cover. It's broken down into 2 sub-concept areas: hardware and software, which has 3 standards, and networks and the internet, which has 2. As we look into hardware and software, we're thinking about how we have input and how we get output. So think about what you're going to do to interact with the computer. So maybe they change a number on a PhET simulation, or they put in some information and they get an outcome as they're clicking on different things within their devices. For NSD2, we're talking about the basic hardware. So here you're making sure your students understand what a mouse is, what a touchpad is, a touch screen versus a monitor, just making sure they have those parts. So a labeling activity could be fun for something along those lines. As we move into 3, we're identifying the basic hardware and software problems. So having a job in your classroom for a tech expert or somebody who is going to be the techie for the week to help out whenever there's some problem with a device. As we move into networks and the internet, for number 4, we're thinking about protocols and rules that help people share information over long distances. So you might think about how you would send a letter versus how you would send an email, and just think about the different ways we communicate with each other. And then for the last one, you're identifying physical devices that can store information. So again, just like we were in impacts of computing, you're recognizing what a computer is and how it stores that information. So, it could be your tablets, your phones, your computers, your calculators, anything along those lines.